welcome back to our channel CryptoStack. In today's video we're going to be reviewing another amazing exchange. So we're reviewing today OKX crypto exchange. So let's start. So once you successfully log into this exchange platform, you're going to have this lovely slick interface, very inviting, very simple, very colorful. And so we're going to go step by step. So if you're looking to buy cryptocurrency, you're going to go to your left side of your window, and then you have the option to quick trade or P2P trade. So if you're looking to buy cryptocurrency, you can obviously use also fiat currency. So if you can use your credit card, or even here you can see here credit card, MasterCard, Apple Pay, add the cash wallet, for example, and you can literally pay in multiple fiat currency, and then you obviously can buy almost any cryptocurrency that you want. So this is option number one. If you are new to cryptocurrency, you want to buy cryptocurrency, this is a very nice interface. Now after that you purchase cryptocurrency, you have also an option to redeem those cryptocurrency to your personal wallet, or if you want, you can obviously try to trade them and obviously buy different cryptocurrency. So in this case you have a nice overview of all the cryptocurrency when you click on the spot section of all the cryptocurrency that they have, and then next to the cryptocurrency pair you have also the leverage of the offerings. In this case you have up to times 10. This is basically the margin one. Then in some cases you have times 5. So very nice and simple interface. You can obviously filter it by the one that moved the most, for example, or the one that moved the highest. You have here the low volume, high volume, and obviously just for you guys to understand what is a notional amount. Now another thing you can obviously look at if you want to trade in the future market. You obviously can trade in the future market. You can see the lowest price and the highest price of today, and obviously look at the open interest, and obviously you have perpetual swap. Even then you have also the option section, and then if you want to trade on the OKX index, you also have that option. Now one of the coolest things that you actually are able to get from this exchange, you obviously have a lot of data. So if you're one of those guys that like to look at a lot of data, understand what's happening in a specific exchange, then you obviously have this information. So you can obviously look at the BTC future taker volume, taker flow, and you have a very nice interface that obviously can compete with other platforms like CryptoQuant or Skew.com. So this is obviously quite interesting for people that are heavily trading and they want to know what's happening on a specific exchange, if there's more buyer or if there's more sellers. So once we cover this section, you can obviously go on the following section. You can obviously click here on the trade section. So you have the basic trading. So if you click here, spot and simple option, and then if you obviously want to trade with leverage, so basically you're borrowing money and gaining a stronger buying power, so this would be where you go. So you have the margin trading, perpetual, future, and option. Now this interface is very nice to look at, very simple, very fun to look at. You have here the red, you have here the green. Obviously you can change it accordingly based on your own preference. You can obviously, I'm assuming, change it to darker or to light. It's really up to you. So once we cover the trade, you obviously have the finance section, so you can obviously earn some cryptocurrency, I'm assuming. So this is basically more like staking. So you have you can obviously stake through SushiSwap if you go with them, and they currently have a flexible period where you can actually earn 30% a year. Again, this will vary depending on supply and demand, so this is obviously something for you guys to consider. You can obviously get a loan, so I would like to borrow a specific amount, and then you can obviously get the different rate you have to pay for borrowing this cryptocurrency. And then you have something called Jumpstart. So let's see what a Jumpstart is. So you obviously have the ability to stock and sell platform. So this is basically ability for you guys to invest in different blockchain or different cryptocurrencies that are raising capital, raising money through the platform. So you'll be probably one of the early investors. So this is similar to what we see with Binance. They have this probability ticketing system. We can actually you get a maximum amount of token you can actually contribute to create a more fair distribution of the token, for example. So this is something quite interesting. You can obviously see when was the last time they had it, and think one can see the last one was in October 2020. So since then we haven't seen anything listed on OKX in the Jumpstart platform. So now we cover this specific section. Also, you have the learn. You can also learn more about cryptocurrency. If you're a newbie, this would be something also for you guys to cover. And then you obviously have the following, which is the more section. So this is something that you can obviously read. It's more for advanced. So you have the OKX bridge for you guys, if you guys to understand, give you the ability to transfer the cryptocurrency from one blockchain to another. So they basically created a solution for you guys. So if you wanted to transfer Bitcoin to Ethereum, or let's say Litecoin to Ethereum, for example, they created this infrastructure, this solution for you guys. So this is basically in a nutshell what they're offering, and I think this is a quite interactive, very simple. They never had any issue. It's quite transparent, and this is the review for this specific video. If you have any question, if you want to know more, you're more than welcome to read our in-depth review. The review that we cover is focusing more about the options section. If you like us to cover the future section, any other feature, let us know. Until next time, bye bye.